baking soda, so let's get to it. What we will be using is vinegar, a bottle, and blow it. First we're going to fill up our bottles with vinegar. Now we're going to be putting the baking soda into our balloons. And blow.
Okay, so that's the baking soda and all the balloons. Okay, so after 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Go shake it all in. Oh, Mai's is going quick.
Whoa, mine's getting fatter and fatter. Please don't touch. What?
Oh, Liz is fizzing right up. Ah! Have you got all the powder out of them?
We didn't.
Look at that.
Yeah. You coming?
You've got more powder in yours, May. Keep shaking it.
Me too. I have a bit more.
Yeah.
Oh my god, these are actually inflating.
Yeah. Do you know why they're inflating?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we added enough of this stuff and it's so nice. Yeah, so nice.
No, what happens is you're putting the powder in to the vinegar and then it's creating bubbles and gas, which is then creating like the gas that goes and fills up the balloon.
Mine is bigger than yours, guys. I feel like popping it. Mine.
And May does look like she's got the biggest one. Lee's has got the... Lee somehow has spilt baking soda everywhere. Don't know what he done has.
Yeah. I think it just burst out itself.
Did it burst?
Yeah.
Oh, well, a baby balloon for a baby Lee. Is that them?
Yeah.
Want to let them go and see them flying about?
Yeah. Oh, scared.
On you go.
I'll pop it.
No, don't pop it. Just pull it off.
Take it off.
Yeah, take it off.
Okay. What's coming out? See, Mom, I want to see it. No. I know myself.
Right, okay, add up.
What the hell? Please, that was thanks for watching our experiment. Please like and subscribe. See you later.